Okay, well this car is looking absolutely filthy. Filthy, filthy, filthy. Can't even see through the windshield. The little bit that I did drive, I absolutely couldn't see a thing where I was going. There's paint overspray. It's disgusting. So, let's get this cleaned up. This will be the first time since I painted this car that I give it a clean. Even the roof, my God, the shit's gonna be embedded in there. I don't even know if I'm not really sure if that'll come clean now. Wow. Anyway, let's get a layer of filth off of this and maybe peel off a little bit of that tape back there. Alright, see how this goes. Windy as heck, of course. Yeah, it's gonna need a good scrub. I even brought a green scrubby pad. Gotta get a little bit on those windows in there, but God, the stuff is just gonna be, I feel like the stuff might be embedded in there. Anyway. Let's see how this looks. Get a layer of filth off. All right, got some soapy water here. I got my wash mitt. I also got a green scrubby there. I might go at the windows a little bit. I might even go right on the paint. I mean, what the heck. Again, like I mentioned before, the quarter is a different shade than the door and the front fenders. So, and I put a big ding in the door there at some point in my travels here. So that's gonna have to be repainted or touched up. So anyway, for now, let's get a layer of filth off of this thing because it's looking quite disgusting. And even the very little bit that I did drive this car, I couldn't see a thing. So let's make this look a little bit more presentable. Now I don't know if the camera can capture this, but that is some real grime. My gosh. So again, this is the rattle can trim clad, and it did have a nice gloss finish when I painted the car, but there's just so much dirt has been sitting from being in the old shed, and the roof does leak a little bit. We need a new roof on here, so this stuff is it's pretty embedded, pretty gross. And you can see, I don't know if the camera can capture this, but when I stand back, you can see the difference. And I mean, that's a lot cleaner than this, but I mean, that's still filthy. That's still filthy. Yeah, got my work cut out here. All right, let's get this done. Okay, looking a little bit better. Now to get the paint off of these windows, I think I'm gonna get a razor blade. Maybe try some Goo Gone with a razor blade. Yeah, that was the lazy man's way of taping, but now I gotta pay the price, so I gotta scrape this glass. Should come off okay, I think. We'll try a razor blade, see how this goes. Okay, let's try this razor blade. Hopefully this will be painless. Yeah, it's pretty painless, but next time I will tape the whole window, because I mean, I suppose, I don't know, taping a window takes a long time. It's actually coming off pretty good, but obviously not the preferred method. All right, got my work cut out. Let's get these cleaned up and see what this looks like. Okay, well, it's the next day. A little bit gray and rainy, but that's okay. I just finished scraping the windows. I used that razor blade. It worked very well. In fact, it took no time at all to get this paint off. And I came back after with the green scrubby with a little bit of paint thinner, and I scrubbed everything else down. I rinsed off, I re-washed the car, and then I came back with some Windex. And as it turns out, I got the layer of filth off of the outside. The glass on the inside was just as dirty. So now it's nice and clear, and it cleaned up very nice. So I'm happy with that. The car is clean. Let's move on and get this alternator sorted out. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.